How does pollution threaten biodiversity? Imagine a world where the colors of plants fade, animals struggle to find food, and entire ecosystems start to break down. Pollution is quietly causing this to happen all around us. It's not just about trash on the streets. Pollution affects the very fabric of life on Earth. When harmful substances enter our environment, they can directly harm plants, animals, and tiny microorganisms. Chemicals from factories or pesticides can poison water bodies, making fish and amphibians sick or killing them outright. Air pollution, like ozone and tiny particles, can damage plant leaves, stopping them from photosynthesizing properly, which weakens trees and reduces food for many creatures. Pollution doesn't just kill individual species, it changes how they interact. Toxins can build up in animals that eat contaminated plants or smaller animals. This process, called biomagnification, makes the poison more concentrated as it moves up the food chain. So, top predators like birds of prey or large fish can end up with dangerous levels of toxins, causing health issues or population drops. Pollution also messes with natural processes like how nutrients cycle through soil and water or how plants get pollinated. When these processes are disrupted, ecosystems become unstable and less able to support diverse life. A clear example is acid rain. It forms when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides from burning fossil fuels mix with rainwater. Acid rain lowers the pH of lakes and soils, killing sensitive aquatic creatures and leaching important nutrients from the soil. This weakens forests by making it harder for trees to get the nutrients they need, which can lead to fewer habitats for animals. Pollution also causes habitat loss by making environments unlivable. Contaminated water and soil mean fewer places for animals to find food and shelter, which reduces the variety of species that can survive there. The effects of pollution reach far beyond individual species. Since many ecosystems depend on biodiversity to function properly, the decline of species can lead to less effective pollination, poorer water quality, and even climate changes. For example, over 75% of the crops we eat relying on pollinators like bees, which are vulnerable to pollution. When these pollinators decline, food production can suffer. Pollution also reduces natural sources of medicines and weakens ecosystems that help control diseases. To protect biodiversity from pollution, it's important for individuals, communities, and governments to work together. Cutting down emissions, managing waste responsibly, and protecting natural habitats are steps we can all take. Enforcing environmental rules and supporting cleaner energy sources can help keep ecosystems healthy. When we reduce pollution, we help ensure that the rich variety of life on Earth continues to thrive for generations to come.